me, Jade, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy smoky eye look using ARDELL's Sultry Night Out palette, where you get the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and a pair of lashes, but instead today I'm going to feature our new Remy lashes in style 776. First, I'm going to apply this brown shade all over my eyelids. Just want to keep blending so you get a nice even coverage of this shade all over your eyelids. For the second step, I'm going to take the black shade and blend that into my crease, right here. This adds depth, dimension to my eyelids. I just take it from the outer corner and work your way to the inner corner. I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow that I used on my crease and blend that on my bottom lower lash line. If you have small eyes, this also helps to make your eyes look bigger. To finish off this eye look, I'm going to use the third shade on my brow bone. I also like to add a little bit of the highlight in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up my eyes. So for my fourth step, I'm going to apply lashes. This kit comes with a 105, but instead I'm going to use our new Remy lashes. To apply my lashes today, I'm going to use our new Duo Quick-Set Adhesive. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick, mixing both nude shades you get in the palette. For my sixth step, I'm going to take our Mega Volume Mascara and just blend my natural lashes into the lash line. And add a little more volume to these Remy lashes. And then don't forget your bottom lash line too. Lastly, to give this look a little more smoky effect, I'm going to use our Irresistible Shadow Stick in Gunmetal to line the inner waterline of my eyes. Just line the inside really quickly. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this New Year's Eve tutorial. If you recreate this look using our new Remy lashes, be sure to tag us on ARDELL's Instagram.